Welcome back everyone. In this video we are going to talk about a plugin called Vertical. Vertical, it's a plugin that allows you to make a vertical scenes in OBS Studio without changing your settings. It's like you are going to have a different OBS Studio inside of OBS. So after you download and install the plugin, you will find it here. If you don't find it, go to Docs and you will find all these vertical tabs. So enable them. So now we have multiple scenes and multiple sources. So vertical scenes, vertical sources, vertical preview and its own settings. So let's say for example, let's take this display capture, let's add it to vertical source. Vertical source, display capture, display capture. Okay, now we can add it. This is going to be its own preview. And let's add our face cam to be on top of here. So let's add one more source. Or let's add it as a source copy. So let's add source mirror or source copy, new. Let's select the source webcam, clone webcam. Okay, so right now let's take this below, make it a little bit smaller. Okay, so now we can have our vertical scenes with vertical sources. You can add any sources just like the normal OBS. Add your sources, add your scenes. And now go to settings. Now these are separate settings from our main OBS settings. Here also we have vertical transitions. Let's remove this one from here for now. Vertical transitions, we don't want it. Okay, let's go back to settings. General, select resolution, it's the same, 1920 1080. Select a recording path, select everything. Streaming, you can add your streaming settings and all this stuff. Recording, change all your settings just like how you do normally in OBS Studio. And after this, you can just start streaming or start recording from here as a separate video, a separate entity inside of OBS. So once I click here, start streaming, it's streaming here, but not here. Okay. So let's stop this for now. Let's say I start recording now. For now, let's select our path, browse. Let's select it to be desktop, select. Okay, now let's start by recording. Okay, as you can see right now it's recording and there is an output here. So right now I'm talking and it has me here. So let's stop. So as you can see, it's recording. As you can see right now, the video is being output. You can do this, you can use this for recording, for streaming, and it's working fine without any problems. And it's using the same audio mixer from here. So this vertical saves a lot of effort. So let's say you want to stream vertical or record vertical. If you go to your settings, video, you are going to need to change this from 1920 by 1080p to invert it to be 1080p by 1920. You are going to need to change it, but this plugin allows you to have a separate entity inside of OBS Studio without needing to change your main settings. So you don't need to change the main thing every time. This can also be used. Let's say for example you want to start recording or streaming here. For here you are going to stream on Twitch, and for here you want to stream on YouTube vertical. You can do that. You select your one from here, and on the other one you can select streaming. You select another server, another stream key, and you can be multiple streaming using this vertical plugin. There's also ATOM multi-streaming plugin. We are going to talk about it in the next one. So everyone, this is it for this video. See you in the next one.